Yeah.
Oh my god. Wow.
Straight out of the box, and this little robot makes a huge impression.
Oh, God, he looks awesome, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Isn't he funny? I'm just totally bewitched by him. He's amazing.
The first thing that hits you is his speed and agility. He bombs around the table, performing a diverse range of spins and stunts, reacting instantly to any attempt to interact with him, with a kitten-like cuteness and a range of emoticon-driven expressions on a satisfyingly retro LED face. A range of sensors, front, back, top and bottom, drive data to his supposedly AI-enhanced brain, which he responds to with a series of funny noises and physical reactions, following your finger and reacting to your touch and gestural inputs. He also comes with a remote.
We should just finish the unboxing. Instruction manual, USB micro, you've got some cards.
Yeah. Oh my god.
The remote was the first thing we tested, moving to a larger table to accommodate Boxer's skittish, high-speed manoeuvring. Do you like it, buddy?
It's really cool.
Is it easy to control?
Yeah.
If I'm honest, I didn't at first see the point of the remote, given that the robot responds so well to hand gestures.
Whoa.
That was good, wasn't it? But me and the boys had huge fun driving him around, pressing the 2 stunt buttons and working out our own freestyle combos. So easy to drive. So guys, the controller, do we like it?
Yeah? It's really cool.
Reverse, forwards, spin, spin, and the tricks. So cool! Whoa, I love that! We like the controller, guys. Really good, really solid, really simple. You've also got various frequencies here, A, B, and C, in case you've got multiple robots. In the past, once over the cute factor, toys like this quickly lose their appeal. But not only does Boxer's big personality promise the possibility of a longer, deeper friendship, 10 game activity cards set him up for some genuinely fun game modes.
These are symbols, yeah? Then he knows how to react to them.
One press of a button on his back, and he can scan a game card.
Wow.
Done it! Paddle bot, right. Good, Jax. Good angle. That was a great angle. Wait. Very good, Harrison. That was a perfect one, dude. This is nuts. It's such a simple concept. I can just see the guys getting really into it. In fact, I'm really jealous. I want to play it. What do you reckon to DJ Bot, guys? Other game modes include a novel go-kart racing mode, for which you draw out a track with a pen and paper, bot bowling, and stunt show. What I particularly like is the way that extended play unlocks new games beyond those included on the cards via a free app. The execution of these isn't always instant, but works within a few attempts and offers a lot of extended play potential. Right, Harry, ask a question.
Am I gonna get something good for Christmas?
Let's have a look. Good luck. No! For regular tech and toy reviews,
Okay, Dad, you're on blue team.
please subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be the first to hear about all the great content we've got incoming to the channel. And don't be a stranger, let me know your thoughts and comments. Thanks for watching. Okay, ask a question, Jackson, to Boxer.
Are we gonna get 100,000 subscribers?
That's a great question. Let's have a look. Good luck, Jax.
Yes! Yes!